Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it is, well, this guy right here. It is called the, I hope I'm gonna say this right, the RAPIQUE Slim Beautiful. It actually looks like, when I look at it, here it is. So it looks a bit like this guy right here. In fact, we'll kind of compare it to the Apple mouse here, Magic Mouse here in a second, but we'll just go ahead and just get right into the box first. Before we get into the box, I wanted to mention one of the cool things about this thing is that it's dual source, meaning you can use it for Bluetooth, and we're gonna check that out right here on this computer right in front of me. Gonna actually bring out my other camera and show you that I'm connecting to it. And then on top of that, it has also a dongle that you can plug in and use it for wireless purposes as well. So let's dig into the box. Go ahead and move this off to the side for now and dig into what we have here. This is, of course, firstly, your dongle. This is the wireless dongle that you'll plug into your USB-A connection. And what I like about the dual source side of the house is I do have a computer. Actually, I have two computers that have USB-C only. So this isn't gonna work unless you have a USB hub. Let's continue on here real quick. It's hard to get that out. All right, close up the box. We'll give you a quick show what it looks like right there. So RAPIQUE, a dual mode wireless mouse. Really cool. Product description, how to use it. Hopefully we'll see how I can jump into this and use this without having to use the instructions, but there you go. Very quick down and dirty of its design and how to use and whatnot. So let's get right into the mouse itself. It comes in a dual protective package, and as you can see here, you have your dual strips here for your smooth operating. Now let's put this guy right next to it. Somewhat similar. Now you have a trackball, not a trackball, but a wheel up here. It looks like a trackball, but it's just a wheel. It doesn't move left or right or up or down. Then you have your tool, your two independent buttons, and they operate quietly. Check this out. I'll bring it close to my mic here, but you can barely hear them. Very, very quiet. Backside has similar track position, so it's to look like it. It's got that modern design look to it, but it is its own device. So without further ado, let's dig into it even more. We'll pop this guy open. Happen to have me a AA battery. You only need one, and it does not come with one, so you'll have to get your own AA battery. Then you have your track sensor here. You have your power here, and then your mode here. All right, so what we're gonna try and do here is we're gonna try and do this properly the first time. So got the computer going. Let's go ahead and turn this on. And if you look here, you'll see that there's two different modes. You see the green? The green mode is for wireless. It's for connecting this dongle, which is still in this bag right here. We'll set that guy actually right there to make sure it doesn't move. Then I'm gonna switch over to Bluetooth, and then it's gonna flicker, telling me that it's trying to connect. Boom, look at that. Really quick. Let me go ahead and use my other mouse here, connect, and boom, look at that. All right, so let's just go over, I don't know, to music channel. There we go, where all my music stored. And then look at the nice, you can see this nice easy scrolling. Oh, let me roll down in here to the music. It scrolls so easy. I'm just so happy with the way that this scrolls. It's just up and down, fast, nice and easy. Nice clicking of the mouse buttons. It's really, really a great mouse. It's modern, like I said, designed after what I believe it looks like it's designed after a good selling mouse. It is very flat in design. It's very compact like this guy next to it, so I don't think it's too bad of a mouse here. This guy's pretty small, but whatever. I like the fact that this guy can scroll and it moves really quick, and it's very reactive, very quick acting. And then I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna add this to it. So for all those that are like, hey, listen, I like my wireless mouse, well, we're gonna go ahead and switch over to the wireless mode, right? So I should be able to put this dongle in over here, plug it in, and then I can switch this to, so you can see that it's in blue, switch it over to the green mode, and there it is. The mouse is working in wireless mode. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time. You know what? I'm out.